17 years after a powerful blast hit Malegaon in Maharashtra, a special NIA court in Mumbai pronounced its verdict, and all 7 accused were acquitted of all offences. But what had happened on the fateful night of September 29, 2008, and how did years of probing lead to this judgment day? Well, 6 persons were killed and more than 100 got injured when an explosive device strapped to a motorcycle went off near a mosque at Bhikhu Chowk in Maharashtra's Malegaon, which is located about 200 km from Mumbai. The incident took place during the holy month of Ramzan and before Navratri. An FIR was initially registered by local police and the case was later handed over to the Anti-Terrorism Squad, aka ATS. The Maharashtra ATS, led by Hemant Karkare, took over the investigation, and ATS alleged that an organization called Abhinav Bharat, a Hindu right-wing group functioned as an organized crime syndicate active since 2003, was behind this. An ATS accused list included former BJP leader Pragya Singh Thakur and Lieutenant Colonel Shrikant Purohit. The first clue came from an LML Freedom motorcycle with a fake registration found at the site. The engine and chassis number had been tampered with. After forensic analysis, the real registration plate was traced back to Pragya Singh Thakur. Then Sadhvi Pragya Singh Thakur was arrested on 23 October 2008 with alleged links to Abhinav Bharat and suspected of carrying out a revenge attack on the Muslim community. Investigators claim that Lieutenant Colonel Purohit helped arrange explosives and was part of meetings where attacks were allegedly planned. Both denied the charges, alleging they were falsely implicated and tortured during the probe. Purohit, then a serving officer in the Indian Army, was arrested shortly after on November 4, 2008. By November 2008, 11 people had been arrested, and ATS invoked the stringent MCOCA, Maharashtra Control of Organized Crime Act 1999, against them. Chief investigator of the case and Special IGP Hemant Karkare was killed in the 26/11 Mumbai terror attack. The first charge sheet was filed in January 2009, naming 11 accused and 3 wanted individuals. Crucial electronic evidence included recordings from a laptop belonging to Sudhakar Dhar Dwivedi, who had allegedly recorded meetings secretly. Voice samples of Purohit, Dwivedi and Upadhyay were also collected and submitted as evidence. ATS alleged that the conspiracy began in January 2008, with meetings in Faridabad, Bhopal and Nashik. MCOCA charges were dropped by a special court citing lack of evidence related to other cases against the accused. The Bombay High Court reinstated MCOCA charges. A supplementary charge sheet was filed by ATS in February 2011 after Praveen Tafkali's arrest. The case was then transferred to the National Investigation Agency. The NIA filed a supplementary charge sheet dropping MCOCA charges, stating that the application of the law by the ATS was questionable. It alleged that the ATS planted evidence and used coercive tactics during questioning. The Bombay High Court then granted bail to Thakur on health grounds. The Supreme Court granted bail to Lieutenant Colonel Purohit after 9 years in jail. MCOCA charges were dropped, but the special court refused to discharge Thakur and 6 other accused, ordering them to face trial under the UAPA, IPC and the Explosive Substances Act. The case became a national political flashpoint as it was the first time individuals associated with the Hindu right-wing groups were accused of terrorism. The term Hindu terror was widely used in political debates, with the Congress party backing the investigation at the time and BJP accusing it of defaming an entire community. Charges were framed against 7 accused, including Thakur and Lieutenant Colonel Purohit. The trial in the case began 10 years after the tragic incident. Prosecution closed its evidence, having examined 323 witnesses, with 37 turning hostile over 10,800 exhibits were submitted, 404 articles were seized and tagged as evidence. The prosecution submitted its final written arguments in 3 volumes, totaling over 1,300 pages in April 2025. Both sides were allowed rebuttals and the verdict was reserved. Verdict announced and all 7 accused, including Pragya Thakur and Lieutenant Colonel Purohit, were acquitted of all the charges.